Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open up the app switcher on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on touch, then we scroll down and then tap on back tap. Next, you can choose to use double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. Then go to the system section and tap on app switcher. Now swipe up to return back to the home screen. And whenever you want to open the app switcher, you can use back tap. So double tap at the back like this. And that will allow you to open up the app switcher. So double tap to open it and double tap to close it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.